Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's kitchen. Today I am making eggplant bajji stuffed with green chutney, or you can call eggplant sandwich bajji. These bajjis are going to be very tasty. In every bite you will taste the coriander mint chutney. First of all, I cut the eggplant into round circles and put them in the salt water. Now remove the eggplant pieces from the water and put them in a plate. Here you can see I already made the green chutney. I made the chutney with some coriander leaves, which is cilantro leaves, some mint leaves, a fistful of cashew nuts, some salt and some ginger, some green chilies and some lemon juice. I ground them together and then squeezed some lemon juice. So this is the green chutney. Now I am going to apply this green chutney on the eggplant pieces. After applying the green chutney, I joined two eggplant pieces together like a sandwich. I tried to join the same size pieces so that the chutney won't come out. After applying the chutney to the eggplant pieces, keep them aside and make the batter. Take 1 cup of besan and 2 tablespoons of rice flour in a container and add some salt. To this also add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add red chilli powder more or less depending on your taste. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Carom seeds are also called azwain or wamu. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. First combine these together and then add water slowly and make a batter. The batter should be little loose but not too loose. It should be little thick but not too thick. Here you can see the batter is too thick. This batter gives a very thick coating. So I am adding some water to make it little loose. Now this consistency looks good to me. This gives a nice coating to the eggplant pieces. If you put more water, it will be too watery and it won't coat the pieces. Heat some oil on medium flame for deep fry. Check the oil if it is ready. Dip the sandwiched eggplant in the batter, coat it on both sides and drop it in the hot oil carefully. You can put 2 or 3 bajjis in the oil depending on the size of your skillet. Fry them on both sides until they get golden color. When they get golden color on both sides, remove them from oil and take them onto a paper napkin. Continue frying the remaining bajjis. These bajjis are nice and crispy. Let me show you how they look inside. Let's cut a bajji and see how it is. See how nice it looks. It tastes even better than it looks. I hope you all try this stuffed eggplant bajji and enjoy. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page and visit my Telugu channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet in my next recipe.